fun. Y'all, he's a nail. They're taking the blue and get that whiteness shampoo on it. You out here playing in this dirt, don't you? Playing in this dirt. It's better than us playing dirt. Feel good, don't it? What are you doing? Oh, you wanted it? Did you miss it? You want it back on? You want it back on? Come on, we'll put it back on. We gotta get you dry before you go roll in the dirt while you wet. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. You like to play with that dry. You gotta get dry. You ain't got me soaking wet. It's so silly, y'all. Look at yes, baby. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah. That feel good? Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, it feels good, don't it? And it's cool breeze. Yeah. Watch it. Watch it. Did I turn it off? What happened? You want it back on? What's wrong? Huh? You want the dryer back on? You want the dryer back on? Okay. Here we go. Here we go. You ready? Yeah. There we go. Look at it. Feels good on it. Yeah. Ooh, make that baby dry and pretty. Yeah. 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 Feels good on it. Don't want to roll around no more? Turned it off yet now. Turned it off yet now. I'm sorry. You want it back on? Okay, okay, okay. There you go. Y'all ever seen a dog that likes to be dry?